What's up, guys? So as you can see, I got a comment about my unboxing knife, and this is actually the second time I got a comment from the same guy, and I really appreciate this comment. So after I got this comment, I was checking with a knife company to see what I can do with them, and I wanted to show you guys this particular company. You can see they have all types of knives, all types. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can go on and you can check out some of the knives. They do have different types of discounts that you guys can get as well. I will put that in the description as well. And I'll also put the link to the knife that I actually bought. So guys, this is my unboxing knife. This is what I went with. This is called a Shark. It's not expensive, not anything too expensive. I recommend any of you guys that are doing unboxing, get you an official unboxing knife. This is by Tac Force. I don't know a whole lot about knives, but as you can see on their website, they have all types of knives. I do know like Kershaw and some of the other brands are more expensive brands, but this is what I'm using for my unboxing. All right, let's get to the video. So guys, this is my unboxing video from my Injora order. I ordered this, I don't know about, it's been a while. I've had it for about 2 weeks now, and I'm just getting around to opening it. I got this order in about 10 days. And for the guys that order directly from Injora, you can use my discount, which is GNCRC 05. That's GNCRC 05. All right, let's get to it. We're gonna open these. Let you get a glimpse of what I have. These are called a rock terrain. I think the majority of them are called rock terrain. Don't quote me on that. These are, I forgot what millimeter, but you'll see a link to these on the website as well. We have been discussing these on live a million times, so guys, make sure you go over and check out some of my lives. So we're gonna get to this package now, guys. Like always, all this stuff is really well packaged from Injora. So as you guys can see, another set of tires. We'll open one of these. Really like these. These are some of my favorites. You can see Jay from JC's RC Expedition. I think these are 62 millimeters, if I'm not mistaken. I really like that tread pattern. Really aggressive looking. And you can tell they have stepped their game up a lot with the compound. And the next set we have here. Crawler Master, all terrain. If I'm not mistaken, these are 60. So these should be 58. You'll notice the size difference. 60 and 62. I don't know how well you guys can see that difference. And these are the tread patterns. Just looking at them and touching them, these seem like these are the softer compounds, and it may just be because of the foam. If you guys know, I really never use really tall tires, but I did want to try some tall tires. Really like those, really aggressive looking. I think this is my favorite out of all of them so far, just looking at it. But size-wise, I like the smaller tire a whole lot more. All right, moving right along. So this is just their hardware set. Nothing out of the ordinary. This is why you need an official YouTube unboxing knife, guys. Nothing out of the ordinary. We got some bearings here. We got some screws. Some body pins. You can never have too many of those. Some axle pins. And some gaskets, I guess you would say. Bearings, of course. You can never have too many of these, guys. And the last thing from them, this is the Injora stamp wheels. We're not gonna open these. You guys have seen a ton of these. These are like the RC all-wheel drive ones, but they have them in a whole bunch of different finishes. They have like a rose gold, a copper, a a grayish color, the chrome, and black, and then maybe another color. But yeah, so. And the bad thing about this is I have all these sets of tires, and I think I got one more set of wheels, which I'm going to use my black stamp wheels. I got to get on top of getting more wheels, and I got to get on top of testing more tires. But this is the end of this video, guys. I just wanted to show you guys what I have right now. I've had this for a while, just getting around to unboxing it. And like I said, guys, make sure you go over to Blaze City. I'm going to put a link in the description. And guys, get you an official unboxing knife or EDC, everyday carry. I went ahead and did it because the guy, he's gotten on me a couple times about it. And I totally get what he's saying. But yeah, really like this. Really good price. This is my first time using it. I'm going to be using it more. I'm actually going to only use this for my YouTube videos. So I'm not going to carry this with me, and I think I'm gonna jump back on there and I'm gonna grab something for myself to maybe just throw in my pocket. Alright guys, so next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.